are back, and if you're that, you have your say before and celebrate and come on the Sukra one saying from on 0302-211-701 up to 4. Now if you're morning and come on Akoso. Now also person share your thoughts on it. 0302-211-701 up to 4 and sana yababa kabedinko. Mekao say sankoma ibidi Z natural mineral water for Adaroma and sankoma way ye de ebro nti yeni en come on 0302-211-701 ekosi 4 Z for Adaroma. Ame enka also say nimnya for Ambrose Ashia amwanso atenase Kane DC ma Apadentra West even him say Kamaldeen Abdullahi National Youth Hopeful she said the NASA coordinator so ba be kan sa e wo ahanum say all about kwaba na mate say be sure him so me akasa bia kama de nyame adom say me ka cho say ye ba na ye hum say dia bibia kama amenchi akaka good and ye ho ye pa na extrate say wo Kumasi ni miamia hodo agbo apro a ukọ na mu hwede komo be na ekoso mame na asibio na menchia yetifo titiri wo ma wa Apadencha West me pesu aso ohima bi se menchia mame fa kwanya na menchia me kan chiro na menchia ye friend no Nana Oredu a otosumienu Nana Oredu otosumienu oyo ba hima obompata okay Shanti region I say men kan chiro so chiao fantinity abompata na bompata ate ne ho kra bompata ate ne ho kra wonam kra kwen so kwa ne junction ne wo ho okay yeah ana ya which one of them ya o sampa matching apom to say me so o ma hene ya good patriote you o ma hene pacho ya Asanto origin o ma hene me kase free adwura yeti o ma hene anope me bo ma paso pa ne adwuma pa bo mo mangana debi a me show o ma hene o ye adwuma pa bo mo de mo mangana o ma hene yeda Nana Akufo ase Nana Ado dankwa Akufo ado yeda na se enu achi obehye ne ho animonyam o German ye koso abompe se o mangana yinyina se ebinya adwuma pa ye na mabunu no so akwantu ayi tutu ne basa na o ma hene etimatena ikomi abobra pa abeso ujakoponi o ma hene ya Wasanto origin be na no pay echo good morning apom to say mi adumo na o ma hene o swe na adum boko yeti echo na o ma hene kasa kaka me pele maka wona wochi mo si mu ide ana wu da na nyama bebezi programs atopa na nado o pede o du tugwa mahema Ghana ba ye na ekura nuhu yi da na o ma hene o ye na si bisa so no ye bi okaka bisa o ye bi okaka yi de Ghana ha Mpoto Nursing Training College abra na nado obenu ne afiani afie 2014 nkofo wo school say one bond one no and APT aban away the mazi or ADC aban see those in school right now no will be school say Oma he said the program say nkofo what can to foto nkofo won you there nkofo what ba we nye adwuma here because she aban no the or then offer one adwuma Oma he ne am water so that one I will host I want him better than everybody in that platform into other extra one water so then Oma he the nkofo ye wo sisia wo be school sisia wo be 2 years 3 years 2-3 years program. Then Oma you double confused as to which you are. Elman Bajana. And MP about our format. Is it double of one bond? Why it is the NDC government who did not bond those people? It is what banners or Wakada abandoned no one pedal for the monk of now. My and make one happy. And see Oma is the pedestal that one in Libya and see some people want us to work. Okay, so the tension Tietiasa Abambia Ejadi Pegu Homunya Konya Wajumem. It doesn't come in. So the present administration is held responsible, not the previous administration. That is why probably the modern bonds are near. Okay. And I mean from a problem NDC. I can tell them they are part of the problem. But the solution to the problem is the present administration. Get it straight. That Alex Yingi back.
The won't me only ma what you catch the way, and yet many I asked a man or can see I said this I buy the ambon do of the one. You know, sub my pencil, and almost a mumbo do a move you. If you are better, and then this I buy most of the allowance mono. Most of the abba. And the idea is to buy and 1 million year, no, and no house to a banana year. Now I can't. Now for all these to do me a dia. None about buy and changing our promise and none of the other him. Or mine is a say, I mean, look at say. I did another promise Ghana for my Ghana for a toy Akumasono. And when we said the away idea, yes, now also can say the way you buy beer, you buy beer after beer. They are buying to me and say, I am this, you are buying to me and say, Obama Ghana for bottom and what homo. Minum look at say, Minum Ghana for bottom Wayama. And on why dear, like Bay and say so. What are they say? This month, what are they by Minia?
Okay, and that's it. So, to the agenda, medical cow says Z for Darama, and a son come in Hagina, Z natural mineral water, said the yin sway numbiano, and necessarily Digimon. We are trying to come on to bar one of my mammy, I will do some pepper, so we are a cousin will be free, and cowboy and this is so more. So, on an handful, one of them will do some pepper, so David, almost mobile and the MPP and yet today, Yamamo. I feel almost more to the about was by almost NDC and yet when can we move forward and stop the accusations? It's a way you say, because is as a result of NDC. It's a this time. NDC is more because it's as a result of MPP. Mammy Menchiano. Was it Mamina? Papa. Mr. and Mrs. Eza. Okay. Okay. Good morning. Some catch say me papa offense ma or his money. Or his money. Oh, okay. Inti na mpe wasem. So well, but say me celebrated 10 years am dey worry. Whoa. Yeah. Congratulations. Why are you? 10 years. And you about why are they? Aha. And I imagine the last one Denchira NDC grassroots club Dunka on offense. Okay. Amushi our Stadium of Light Georgia Niko Mane sister Amma Michelle Munina. George, Ghana, your problems. Your problems. I say a dynamic culture say governance at any point in time, and in particular when government have changed, we must see what we call exponential differences. And sakraya ekwenim ekonkan pa. Nti yensan kwayechi emfa nkoto dada ho bio. Esan say sene na wo kan no de enye no nyenti na ye de eye no aide aba. Nti o say ekwenim. Yejina social contract so there be a mechanic to aba. Now where the aban we here enya no ka say obeye in terms of the social contract. For instance, say na petrol bo a mafom, anafu abo a mafom. Brano man panyi John Dramani mama na atanos wo ho a. There were reasons. Mama example back in 2013 and man panyi John Dramani mama oyi subsidies a neda LPG. And now, or saying ye subsidies are net that fuel also. At that point in time, we are $80 million. Send a beya letters of credit and our banks no demand. A bit me a koye na banks net me a mabisi and ya crafango. I mean that was the way to go. And people for Gina chance say Tie to abe buy betting in us. Untimi nye ya. Ghana for be complain because you been a car second. Nene taxi drivers, trotro drivers. I'm not complaining. But the claim is that the share mudi go akwema muja homa. Ghana mamu ntu aso no hye dodo na nya hye ya egiane na aso na ye ni so ene ukomra hye bedwoma ameri ho asemaba ene ukowura eye road contract ni kokoro so a ehun so nsem na ai kesen ni ene ukowura health insurance mu a aban beka se no nya na namu ntu a otua sika dodo na health insurance mu na ehun asem ai bisi basa ene ukwakuafo mu a ene aban hye ode abase da bi koko fertilizer kania na ewo ho na muntimi nya bi ne brese mu no ene media aba bebre ne mu disika kuma bi atoso dia ma monto no bi enso bi aso nti eche se mwanya kire yie ana dia bi du sampempe ntina bribia da so obi kobo wa o se da bi kobo wa kire abanda da no na dia bi du sampempe so ye dia aba ye ne esisi da bi enye no kreda wa hu se ade bi ho na akoye busumi du atwami a aban a otiso sisi na kufu ado aban oje credit Mama one example. Ebini president oko kate sword na osha asesi ebesi the bridge power project. The bridge power project ni ejo mama adwuma ohyehyete ho. Mampanyini kogina ho eje monyam.
Okasampo wa modern mama dini omampanyini ko bi FPSO kufuo na no enche bia abawe anye sa FPSO ne ho hwe. In fact okwe yan oil and gas sector wa entote e ho nyina from the Petroleum Revenue Management Act no keka ho enhyehyɛ e ho nyina ya Professor Amos ne John Dramani mama na yeye omahini to the extent say by July of this year na fa ngo sika MPP abawe nya no na above $1.2 billion. The same time last year, now you 400 million pen and yenya because NDC abandoned your investment. FPSO Kwame Nkrumah, FPSO Atanos, and FPSO Jonaji Kumkufo. Nina yen she ya abano and or ye. So what did they make say? And so aban we kwa one fine monyam na de Emma. There wa water project. Na na do ko gina hoje monyam Emma on ampenye Jonaji Kumkufo ni MPP. Bra no monim hofi. Enti eye dia ye bomb modern say be de ye be jatum. The American say bibi ti say fa ngobo enye obi ne kasa obeti so because o kasa no now what information ahodo a odi gina so na odi aka wase but so what you say enti time bia ya na me ka aban be sesam sani anantwie ni dua anche wo ne to no san so na enche wo konfo nsem enti nsisan de enye den ye be but the what can was say hwe say aban we ni World Bank ahia omu tu anamo no ma raise $2.5 billion. Na omo de tua ka ye energy sector. Na ye tua nan kakran. But say the extra by energy sector levy. Say nka ye nyeje nan kakran ne nyede ye mfentua. Campaign time, enyo bi ne ka say aban anase MPP fo nka. Omo say extra de omba, omo betwam energy sector levy, omo betwam. Anameboa. And the one me anya ye wo kwanya say ye ne wo social contract no ye gira so ne busa say o ka say obeye baako mienu miensa anya no na waye eno da nchen why say na ye wo petroleum sector levy 17.5%. Eno so ka so mbo metwam omo ye so man be do 15%, ne 15%. Say ye twam ne ye te so o man ni enya de kro enti so do any kanche say ne aga na adu any the MPP for kanya clearly apam a omo ne omo a to abane won enye sa apam no ho adwuma na omo ye na wo ka kokoo die so aban bi ho no de fertilizer e che free makuafo na wo ba na wo de o se me mfa nche ne mo meton amakuafo ni mienu wo de wa ho a de hin na nkeye se na opeso to fertilizer na mako 10 na this will multiply 80 cedis by 10 kweni ni benya no he adana me hwe woni onabo kwachi aka MP for Memphis Central. Only some Memphis Central. How many are part in West and Bush to the east? Not catch your say. And then obey me cook back. Not that country ammonia. And it is very true. I was in my constituency last week. Clearly true. It tells you how difficult farmers are having to do with whatever it is that they have to do. It's not about say you be criticize but you promised heaven and earth. I salute Oman Penini that John Dramani mama because what kind of creature Mammy Mount last one I mean maybe a minute omrem. MPP4 they ended up creating more rigidities. Because rigidities are Sikabi a statutory get fund common fund and never take a honor. Yen you say on my way you seek a semunti drew maybe an any piano. Now I den. If you have her first quarter and then call ye, second quarter and then call ye. And I'm more budget match. And I'm also more year realignment. Now, Yensi can would be a real ye na matitibisu. To the extent, say, even constitutionally. Common fund that constitution cancer anye bian. I was say about 5% of total revenue. What is why money by less than 5%? And that common fund, second quarter 2017 crowd, Omahine and my school feeding for Nansanyamuko Tio Moka for a number of days. More than 100 days. Only 7 days. What does somebody be demonstrated to a central region? Now, your friend say health insurance. I mean, why? Health insurance have always had these challenges. And they are quick to say, Yababe Tria, Sasikawi. I'm not paying and finding out. Free SHS, the so called free SHS, Form 1, and Form 2, Form 3, 4, and Kahubino. You can't call you. You must have said Yakan. It's a form of a rigidity. It is the old problems we used to have. So they created another rigidity for us because you can't find it to the extent. To the extent, say, last month, Mu Bobby Sians and I'm and that's how far we have come. Eh? You can loan portfolio. Now I see a loan increasing from 122 billion cedis to 39 billion cedis. You must say MPP for say loan the Ababetos one, or more the higher they organ. Plus all the revenue they are getting from oil and the rest. And then you will be no commentary. But that's what I say. You will be no commentary. The Amoka, you know, and no, I baby Sam say, I no Namoya, na say, and you know Namoya. Yes, be a numan, I said, I take I in the beer, sorry. Yeah, try and piazza. Okay. What is it? And yeah, a honey.
All right, I see. What is what I say? Minya Bema Raskopa, no classic FM Techiman.
Hey, why is not Techiman so that?
Nabruni Minya.
And then Wabre.
Raskopa
Yako, Asta FM.
Oh, sir. It's a classic Asta.
Rival.
I see.
Now I'm a reporter.
Wow.
Asta FM.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see. Raskopa Omameda from very sorry. 1 week.
No rival no
so deep.
Frezeni the classic by na
Now good morning. I say Frezeni chief executive classic. Also name Amiaka baby.
Oh.
I think the funeral is
coming in
November. Raskopa until Monday. More young for the Techimani, Brown for the two. Raskopa Abesumi, name Ameda for me contact the your question. Well, hashtag the youth in MPP's choice. Area Kamal, Aquaba, no matter say. Come on.
Endorsement in the bar, neighbor.
I see. We don't call from artists or more come as some pass.
I said politics, no. Say be mathematics, no.
Okay.
Mathematics, papa.
There's all calculated your money.
And now only the pounds on a bejuma.
Okay.
Inti Brasilia so here papa power politics, no.
Okay.
No be only media. We are when a bony dear was sent me the mouth, send you was sent me the mouth because Nipa a here and a vote I vote, Nipa and vote. Say be a year more with all respect. Na ye guswa ye de message papa, ye guswa ye de Brasimu, ye share and yamia dom, ye timinya Sajina Bia, ye bit me their war party no ama party no sustain power. A man and another don't come so was signing the second term so inshallah bit my queen. Na me ban pay. Omahene, but T honorable Ashia papa. I'm saying he's tried to review the entire governance system of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And if you like, MPP administrations. Manka administrations. Now, on my credit, say this is the credit I SFATA said from the administration of the late Professor Mills. Now, the crazy. Now, credit I was said His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, immediate past President of the Republic of Ghana. Now, I'm saying it's a very interesting thing. Of the energy sector, and in fact, narrowing it to petroleum and oil and gas. Omahene, yet Omayimu. And now, on one Kasan party for say Adringo na Eriko Faba Ghana and oil. On the party,
on the Ghana party,
there be the patch on patch. Okasa was very quiet and seated here. Ghana for Mutie. Tama Omampenyin Kufo a bomodin a ye Juma say Ghana so ewo oil, a bit man oil, ye exploration. The year exploration, you go to your main child, Yabenya near Yakupon Ediache say oily. And this is for by the whole Ghana ever say, and you may in the air jungle. And then Oteha. O say near no my share our energy sector, petroleum sector, Mudia credit from Mamuna Moye. What did you see when you called it Ajongo?
I did not.
No, but I'm talking about your party.
We did not.
And you see, in your party, they are Kokotokono. Hey, day. You dinner, bro. How do they say it? I just want to help me. Ghana, here. Ghana first. President of the Republic of Ghana. Atma Bojumaye. I'm an exploration of Kosokama. I'm a yanya oil. Instead of saying, you bet me Ajino Tata, I'm a Obianye General, Mose Ayajongo. Now the whole world should ridicule it. The next moment you come and sit here and tell me that Yemfa Abasobodie Sunonko Enfama, His Excellency Professor Mills, may he rest in peace. Yemfa Abasobodie Sunonko Emma, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say Omun Omoye Shepa. SPFO kufuo omu no mo hyase we omu no mo hyase Ghana fo a onu omu kasa omu tie ye o
anu meboa
na botre nti saa nya atwi yen fa nkodwa manenye yi in politics it doesn't help no wonder omo antiman collect omo resource na so omu nya 44%.
anu de ye ne
omo antiman collect omo resource na so omu timi ba out omu twatia mu hudru mu omo say hey we are in a comfortable lead nso na won collect resource. This is how inept and incompetent the NDC appears in this country. I am telling you, very inept and incompetent. Omo ankasa omo resource I be bo omo kwenim no. Mo antiman collect pay your own report. Na so mo ba out we are in a comfortable lead. Comfortable lead ade. Where did you get it? We are giving you good governance. 10 months into the administration of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Nyame ya aduma ochina napa I'm leading a walk in Wa, the capital of Upper West, to ensure that the Baraka walk, we call it Baraka means thank you. The youth of Upper West are coming out massively to thank the president for doing one thing for them.
What is that?
I am from the north. Me go school, if I take you to my family house, you'll be amazed. I'm from a very poor family, excellently poor family. But I try to encourage myself. The same way most Northerners are poor family. This year, fresh as Omuko SHS, your families, you know, we rear animals. Also, no what animal market, they be no cotton. No what guinea fowls, no cotton. You be so I was a Mebana VJS at secondary school. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Adaroma. Anya kupon Adna Maye, Ama Ghana, Tumpon, Quenim. This year, nobody has sold a fowl, nobody has sold a goat to take a child to school. And I'm saying, you know, we are saying thank you to him. Big thank you. And wait a minute, we are mama invoice. The youth of Upper West move him and pay. Come out. Can so also your youth bari kowa ya gane kaman insha Allah. Allah ya muna wani bai wanda ba tsarin shi. Allah ya ba mu shugaban kasan da yana zaune tunanin kowa na kan shi. Yace muna abu guda batun karatun yaran mu shine batun senior SHS, I mean senior secondary education. Wai kar wannan shekara wani ya doki wani abu ya sarar ya ce kamar yaro zai je school ko kaza za ta je school ba haka nan. Wai kowa ya je da takardar ta inda kin ka qualify shikenan a shiga school kawai free SHS na aiki. Domin wannan in Allah ya da wannan rana gobe kenan ran Asabar za mu fito matasa cikin Upper West under the leadership of our regional chairman Short. When you saw the national chairman, Chairman Short. Yeah, Chairman Short. Our one of the long-standing regional chairman of this country, very experienced man he is. Oh, under his leadership, you know, we come out to walk and thank the president in Upper West region.
Okay. So, Mami Chechi meba. Okasa omukasa no fa insuo chese. Awofobia wo Upper East bia no mesre wo de abofra. Upper West. O de abofra ni ko school Z natural mineral water. They bo no form. Na wa pe ba kwasi box bi asi ni chese na Nado Adaroma.
Na so mo si free SHS ni nsuo kan.
Na o de nsuo kan.
Nsuo kan. Oh, okay.
Na onim. No, wo ko so no mo mischief sa. No. Me say ko so o mischief. Ya free education mo mo bi say address for na na mo alawa so ya ba. And then me no wo kese yi. Abefu fidi a ye locating ni pa be bi omo wo. Digital address system. And then me no wo kese yi. Within 10 months of the administration, do you know internet can alleviate poverty? The usage of technology alleviates poverty. In the sense that paperless a project now, your pilot look at the revenue that we have raked in. That is technology. And part of technology, no, and masikano ede, eba, ebaswa, na uhiano ede, amaye. And I tell you, I made a statement last week saying Nana Addo is reducing poverty in Ghana. Within 10 months, there's a systematic approach to reducing poverty. And there is a deliberate approach by his prudent manager of the finances of this country, Ken Ofori-Atta, to ensure, say, Ghana will not be the same again. Revenue collection, and then Ghana Water, they are going paperless. Technology is being used. And then Menu can say ECG is thinking of same. We are making sure internet usage, the development of the self is high. And it was so beautiful. The launching of the digital address system. As I say, GPS, what downloading? Yeah. Ghana Post GPS, solid. Yeah. Where within 10 months, a buyer who be say, okay, say energy levy. Yeah, you best scrap it, you scrap it. You say, yeah. We gave you this country for 8 years, and you were a DCE a part of it. In fact, you're part of the governance. Moon country, what you did for us.
A successful one at that.
Moon control manifesto. Eka say Mercy Hospital. Region region.
Yeah.
You wrote that WhatsApp was region. What's it? Western region. Also, Wasampo, how you built a hospital. Your manifesto. Don't forget about it. Go page 19 of your manifesto. I am very emphatic about it. And I'm very. What you say about the hospital?
Why you confused?
I am saying, look at page 19 of your manifesto. I know you have. I am telling
you, a very wide area.
Incompetence in
a hospital.
What's the page saying?
Page 19.
And I can't see you or Wasampo.
Page 19.
Wasampo
hospital.
And he funny, I can't see you.
Don't worry, he's reading it.
Oh, no. I am
Massa.
I am
I know what I'm talking about.
And your mom, okay, must be a Photoshop.
I know what I'm talking about.
Oh, President call. I did a Photoshop. Or quack what you went when young body a money party. Why now come watch me? Yes, see, regional hospital, come, Amawa. You say, Nanado, Kowa, what the plane I call Okosi Airport. Airport, and I want to see here. There be the Oka in India. The Oka and
I don't know you. Already, page 19 of your manifesto, you lied to Ghanaians.
I did a hospital in your car.
You lied.
Okay. Very good. Moment try and come on.
Any yeah, I said the hospital. Yes, you are some. Yes, the hospital. Mama, you call airport. I could see. I end this one.
I typo.
And you are end this body. Regional hospital end this body. So I say.
Oh, man.
What's up for hospital banner?
Then I make no come. I'm unable to
hospital banner.
I'm unable to beer a beer. You say was some for a district. And beer. District hospital na bia YCC and I am no be fine. But just what I say. But all can idea come with a very broad paintbrush approach. Yes, Mercy Hospital was sample a heifer. And these are the facts I want from you.
No, that's not the
that you a heifer. Was you call a hospital anyhow? I did hospital and you see no what anyhow. What's
and Trona Moody Magana for no and Moody.
Yeah, can't draw Mona Moody intro. Mona Moody intro a man throw a 50 and throw a docro Momado what and the other intro. Ghana for the Mona Moody intro.
Unim self fertilizer. Ghana Okonofa over almost 90% of the population in the north are farmers. In fact, fertilizer I am telling you, essence almost sensitive to the plight of the common person. I am telling you, under the John Kufuor's administration of subsidy, they scrapped it.
Oh, boy.
People struggle.
Come on. You see, come on. Don't throw this in. Oh, be the chair. Oh, be the chair. What about what you are subsidizing?
Jobs is working. And I'm telling you,
planting for food. Planting for food.
My good brother, don't do this. Let me. Look, my members are incompetency. You Ghana for you now.
So when you're competent, incompetent.
Again. Mr. Fertilizer has been heavily subsidized under our Asempa budget.
Obi the Charles who they were subsidized.
Again, we want to.
But are you aware of the challenges?
Obi the Charles was
challenges of
the fertilizer.
You see, we have two categories of what we are talking about. Clearly, the cocoa sector is supposed to have a policy running for free, which is alluding to. I have no problem.
It's supposed to. We did it. It's not supposed to. You are not doing that.
And the second, very clear with the issue. Now, the commoner who is farming masara, you know masara? Masara is maize. Benkune Kinkayedi, I know every honum and other legumes are farming to help the common markets of our country. No? I am telling you that fertilizer was nowhere to be found for them to buy. If they got it, it was very expensive. I buy under the good leadership of my own uncle, Agric Minister Akutu. I said, look, no, Let's work on the fertilizer quickly so that we can help our people. And then we know we can say, peasant farmers are able to purchase fertilizer at a very subsidized price, about 50% off. Okay, my good brother, we can only say a very big thank you to our father Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo.
Okay, that natural mineral father Romana. This is I don't want to become one more.
Oh, me will break up.
Only Koto.
Me will break up.
Koto.
Oh, can't plenty for food. Oh man. You're free to be modernizing.
Bank of fat, Saturday night, NDC for the coffee.
David, very important. See, I'm not for the idea. For the very first time, I want me and ye. And when I'm meeting say or try. So I bought on my penny, John Dramani, Mama.
Can you imagine?
And Attorney General, Mrs. Marietta blew up here upon and then write birthday, Mommy, happy birthday. Or bought my basso about the ruling and the victory we had.
I have done that severally.
Others have done officially, and running the very first time one. You say, President, or attempted what I will call a very wishy-washy attempt. Yes. Can you imagine? Because all can GMPC, all can GMPC, send a GMPC credit now. I'm penny they shall say free. I'm penny George Kunku. Without talking about Rollins, without talking about the venerable Tatitikata, who spearheaded the growth of the GMPC from 1984 upwards. And the only first time I'm saying no go for try so be born man penny John Dramani mama.
Oh boy, now or try.
No, or try am out way. It was half-hearted. When you kwanya na onye ni bio. Woni. Dabi na man bebre sa na se ni bebre wo ho a. O se MPP aban we. Obede mo man penny John Dramani. Because any working tio. Say o ka se o man penny and NDC incompetent. E be ya den se o be born abaso. And until the MPP for me more John Dramani mama.
That's why incompetent.
For instance, no, maybe for instance.
Eddie Ghana was
Amasama.
You didn't allow
Amasama. What's the traffic whopper? And Chebia, about where they are soberable from. Now, ya interchange can see at set Caswa. Unim send a shot. I see man penny John Dramani mama. One African Development Bank, I have to about $98 million. I have to for that project. I got because I'm so incompetent. Men are incompetent. I know that. And Chebia, Mubaka could be a regional hospital now. A John Mama project. Nana go for Wabio. Because mobile 10 months, you won't be a man if free.
Oh, really?
Yes, that's what we are free within 10 months. This year, no. Oh, yes, yeah. Can't free SHS someone. And your mind, what to one hour here? Clo Agu in the Eastern region. Some Qualada or more than. Obi dam and about to offer. No, sorry. No, be a dam and about 6. Because infrastructure are dying in the Clo Agu want to, or man want to. Secondary technical school.
There is nothing.
Nothing
good. I'm saying.
Yeah, can say, thank you. Fix infrastructure first.
See good in this.
This year, how any problems.
I see.
And that's what being told. Education. Well, I can't say your position is say you're progressive. Never be a come. Moody, and I'm saying, Chinchina, you can't see a bayanti. Young wasa no magana for who say ampa. You can't see a bay any idea. Yeah. The same with this nursing, your friend is saying, and teacher training allowance. We argue that it was on the basis of equity. Why? Say teacher training colleges, about by a tertiary institution, say universities, any polytechnics. Now universities in any polytechnics, no, or Moody student loan. Other than teacher training colleges, no one or Moody. Nursing for no is nursing, our universities, no. Other than the Yama allowance. Teacher for any education university, other than Yama allowance. Nursing bedroom when I was swimming person near second to me foka. Now free and young contact couple has in a quiet stepping in Patakua. Now say, yeah, this is Amobi, yeah, free. No, governance is about priorities. And this is more priority, he said, but Jessica free. You know, I'm here to your salaries. Now you're quiet, say, now you're troubles.
As we speak today, indicators.
And it's just a matter of
look, honorable, you have had
indicators.
You have had your turn. Where the indicators we have today, it tells you that our economy is thriving on a very good.
Okay, last year what about economic last year what the economic I can say we need the next 5 years about $50 billion in terms of fiscal space available to every government.
Baby, I do know. Now everybody is making a very essential point. In the end, bossy. Now, I shall follow. Very well. Now, it will for the next 6 minutes without interruption. That do come on for shares in Bernabianco. Come on.
Me that say. Back to point I am making. Or see then GMPC. Na Tajuchikata na nekuta wada ye juma bojuma in search for what? Or say oil. Se mo nim se ampa se mo share mo ma obi juma se omo modern emoma exploration for oil in this country ebekoswa. Den na yenya product ni we am say adwongo. So do you have to believe in it? Once again ya tum na make no and me point out no. Nipa na say ono o de obi akose onko ejuma wa ye juma over the years. Nanso obi ba ya Yakupon ehye
na dom.
Onya oil no. The next moment o say adwongo. You call India Ekonya facility. By then, our Speaker of Parliament was ambassador to India to help us get the flags of a seat of governors. Mo say, oh, Ohokra, I will say a poultry farm. NDC again. They will ridicule anything of national importance to us. Now, sir, in Kofu, we don't respect you. If I have not said it well, because my chief, of course, comes from the north. You should understand that. Sir, Kofu, Ghana for Moon. Now, they have something good for you. With these examples I've given, no, calling our seat of governance or government, except a poultry farm, we say, oh, everything there, children's hospital. Now, so, you buy, you know, no matter occupy, no much hope. Oil, the same thing. I don't go, nothing there, say, oh, you have my credit. If you hold my free SHS, I might come once a me, or catch them and say, oh, a so called free SHS.
Of course,
trying to form 6 minutes. What you do? Okay, get your time. Oh, was it so called? You ridicule it when I'm telling you people in Upper West are getting ready to work for Baraka to thank the president, and it will be replicated almost everywhere in the north. People are really ready. The youth are grateful to the president of the Republic of Ghana. And let me know what I say. They have spent money. Say, yeah, oh, you will see data center. Accra Digital, your friend is saying, company, or Accra Digital system now. You have this Accra Digital, it's kind of a hub for ICT. Oh, Moye, who could do Honoma empty. Implementation plan behind the Honor. And then I meet Chinese president, Xi Jinping, or say, we are in a scientific socialism. No, I became curious. What's the meaning of scientific socialism? Clearly, I've been to China several. I just came back from China, if you don't know.
I'm saying scientific socialism.
So, scientific socialism. And you should understand one thing. Nippon, to my friends, were a capitalist. And then all the pro-poor policies in Ghana is emanating from the capitalist so-called party or whatever that you want to call it. One more, we are socialists, you know, and the model of scientific socialism to help actually make sure say Obimo and your policies are able to show. You have not done that. You only come and build white elephants, and then make sure you dissipate our resources and use it recklessly, and we shouldn't talk about it.
Reckless.
Of course. Now you're reckless. Today we will be cross-examining Uyomi. Reckless. Who the second man say could give you we are say court. That's what they did. And not only Uyomi. Several of them, Ameri is being reviewed because of their recklessness. They are very reckless. And yet my action will start. Agency come out and say, ensure physical discipline. Physical, F-I-S-C-A-L, that's what I mean. Ensure physical discipline. What do you want me and prudently ensure that discipline we're talking about in our monetary sector. Now, we have come within 10 months, turning things around. Or say, oh, they are promising you one day. That's mischievous. Yeah, look, you will not push us to do what we know we will surely say, we will surely be doing. You better make sure say we will go in that way. Now, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, once again, Ghana for Mr. Remo.
Okay.
This is a man who is a savior to us. Now, ye momode and boye na appointees. Let me serve this notice to Mr. Remo. Your duty is to help prosecute the good agenda of the president. You can make mistakes, but deliberate mistakes will not be allowed because this party, we are in the party to work hard to make sure say, we will sell the good message of the president and the good message of the government to make sure
just
we
a
go
response
forward.
to this one. They will come and pick up the issues, you know. The
Number one, this digital addressing system. Yeah, okay. When you say 2000,
No.
No, I know Dr. Maneboama was playing the key.
Oh yes, yeah. Oh yes. Debbie. Come 2015. Me my year this year. That's anyhow.
Yeah.
Na ye nyina ya said say ye behwe ma.
Momo sharing crossing as naming of the
Naming of streets is different.
No,
from
I'm
that.
saying no. Hold on.
This is very different.
I have seen almost every region I've been to. They say,
But that's different.
Oh, come on.
I mean, it's a part of Dr. Maneboama. She share no money buy the one say the akoso and the maybe I will be able to identify the what they are buying.
The American sisi ane say the Nra Nana Akufo-Addo lunch ye no. Obi anka say ya de boni o. But the American say inya na ejina so no 9 na ejina so. I did a chance that I don't want to drama in Mama Tash.
No. It's let's correct this.
It's an attempt to chip away my time. No, you want to. I am not into the business of lying. No, don't do that. No.
Come on.
Let me make my point. No, you have an agenda to distract me. Don't do that, my brother. Me pacho. Your office, you my chance here, dear friend, street naming and property addressing system. You name street, you know.
Who's not true?
Now properties in your address.
It's not true.
Oh, dear Mumu, yes, here. Mama property identifiers without the street naming. But a key ingredient of the Amuye, any their friend georeferencing. Georeferencing a call street name minimum in particular. Because street name you no horse and your physical way no I honor data no horada. But just what I say. That was what Honorable Ayariga. So what here no what referred to as having been a collaboration between the previous regime and Zoom Lion Ghana for free. Where more can say at the end of $2.25 million. Am in a brosa? See, almost 50 million cedis.
Can you imagine?
You will find out later. Almost 50 million cedis.
We're not like, you see,
To a crony, to a party supporter.
You see, this
Let me make my
business-
point. I share every baby. And then, me can't say yet, me can't be a free eba. And I see an make us a munti min faman. O mine, ebini. Oh, God, the National Digital Center. And yet, Nina, ni fapi mini. To the sense of honorable slow, so I don't know about Brown or money boy my hand over there man or dana say a juma why your communications na ejuma kesi oba beto aso. And that is what we expect you to do. Now mind in some more individuals be akika in politics. And this you know it doesn't become the official position of our party. And there's a way we speak officially. Mbacho. And this
That is the case.
Yeah, that's the case. President like I said, me masama me ti American.
How about you are an officer of the party?
I'm speaking in my own capacity.
You are an officer of the party.
That is the status quo.
But let's practice. Party officer, whatever you speak, the implications has no meaning.
That's what I make
Party officer.
And this is
secretary of the party. And you tell me it's the individual.
No, it has
A general secretary
as an impact. I said an officer of a party, Okasa, to the effect, you represent the party in a way. I'm saying party members cannot take that. But officer of a party has an effect.
Very well. The cliche. Incompetence in reference to the old regime. Medical can say, and no idea about Kuntia. NPP won't mean more about that than Abaso.
Because
Okobon Abaso, no idea.
what's in the more demonstration?
There's nothing you did. No, yeah.
So I say, no, I had an Okobon Abaso. And Tina, all this one and Akufo-Addo, I ain't a dance over about your mama Abaso. But why? under this NPP regime. Me, apart from them, NDC, I'm also a student of Ghanaian politics. Me follow politics. There's one development, and you cry was paying for a soft win in Akasa. Your friend of political patronage, and it's a product of corruption. So what you say? Political patronage. Your friend be client-patron relationship, where the patron stands there to say, not the client, no, I'm not afraid of him because they want it. So that I describe this regime as a client-patron government. Yet a Busian for one enough for a frame. Why? Now, I mean, can't wait and Femu or my wild Bemu was saying many massy. This is a caveat. But just what I say. We need the more message or more. But the principle is that it is wrong. Because a Buama prayer, but why? O man penny in Ninuane Oracle for Yata, and I'm one. Oshe Oracle for Yata and side on Oracle Gazipo. Or your penny power data bank. And then Zapape. Or a board member, your friend is a Bank of Ghana, or say a board chairman, ECG. And I might be a friend Comfort Oakland, or Madam for Power, no so. Your friend say Bank of Ghana, board. And I Reverend Obama, or no so data bank will be. Or that Securities and Exchange Commission, I know. But also what I say. And now you feel grant. And also, National Investment Promotion.
Of what importance?
No, maybe I'm making a point. Make a client-patron relationship. And the fact that it breeds corruption. Ni idea any about we some of them are born yes, so
individuals by merit are qualified.
Oh, America, I issue that caveat, please. I'm issuing a principle. Who Ministry of Finance? Why? Data bank for baby. Now, who got a development corporation? My man no honey new for Riata. And since CFM maybe means ain't no for Riata. It may be qualified. But on one we had my NPP. Ubet me aka project as any dream who assemble sadi ekoso. One kasa wadan vulnerable candidate. So what na hakan. Boss papa. Was a big time financier of the NPP. And the project course was boss nyina. Be it me finance. As a way of rewarding that man for what he did for the party.
That's your conclusion you are drawing.
No.
Or that's the reality.
No.
Conclusion.
No, because he helped the party. He said that one here.
So
what I say? Because he helped the party, he made the point here. Sadia no drop so MPP abemu bebre. Now a avenue for corruption. Anything that Professor Matika say. This MPP regime, the appointees in it, 110 of them all, they are showing signs of corruption. Omani say, "Oh, you winning malaria, will show signs of malaria." And you show signs of corruption. It's just a corruption. Oh, yeah, corruption. And the problem matter when me and can ye
me.
Eh?
Me.
What's he say? They have malaria as well. The corruption, a woman. One to me and can ye. So what does it? And Debbie and Pound. And the other can any. You have a over Jimmy time. Yeah, can't do time. Baby on with the agent I don't know, and a baby I buy a baby tree. I didn't know more opposition, almost some kind of different. You see, I now can. The quick references to John Mama and his appointees. We are out of government for crying out loud. So what I say, the ball is in your court. We are delivering on our promises. So what I say, Mama, so how the echoes of Maslow? Oslo Impet, Fiat 1,800 Pandana vehicles. Yeah, Kraba, Proyenic at Assassin, Adukru Mupoto. Come out by any sort of buffalo. And Sabi, I saw for one in Dimwapatene. As I say, I'm establishing a principle, and that is what all of us must accept.
Okay.
Yeah, you want Yabeka. You bet you I'm a gunner for Atiasi. Say, I bet my way, bet me a day. I fat into my efra. So I just
Enche, Bajotubas.
Open when your time.
The viewers are bringing in their comments. A lot of the comments. Okay, so Chelsea Bradley Akosia Young were challenged with Kamal, the reckless repetition. How the buyer say, well, you have a point, but recklessness. Now you should officially or disagree with you.
Oh.
Kodwa Sare Bafo Champon Kaba, and then your birthday.
Oh, great.
Frema Ashka also and your birthday.
Happy birthday to my brother.
Kodjo.
was say ma kwabena di kan we she frema ask answer na wa we she
kwabena di kan
ono also di frema so na managing
kwabena edi kan nye frema di say na ma ko just say
should be the last to be wishing
kwabena
guest just see mischief bi
no ono na ebe na me kwabena edi kan wo she okay so kwabena interpretation so kwabena ja Otonyom kama zuma mema ne man nyina adwo kama enti manager edi na wo dey na dia clearly so otojuma be sane ni pedua no ma we dey special request for DC na dem ana kojo sorry ba for a chamba makaba o say kojo enti we dey ene mi say be boss sin kakra bi na say fufu ni pito ja ebi okojo free be dey pito titi ebi pito ye eyiti say fufu o storage mo
say fufu ni ntunkum
pito ye upper west baby ye kokoye sa work number ochana upper west
enti eno ho asem AU Farouk saying the creation of new region is a move but government must do effective consultations before demarcating
and that's
the
what the commission is set up, I guess.
And this one says, good morning, Omani. Tell the NDC man that in 2014, farmers in the Upper West region, specifically Jampensi, is that correct? Jampensi in the Dafiama Busi Isa district were made to produce 12 mini bags of maize in return for 1 bag of fertilizer.
I'm telling you.
Who made them do that?
I was an intern by then at MOFA and was part of the project monitoring team. What's his take on that one too? If you would dispute that fact, I can give you the contacts of some of the farmers to verify.
Very good.
Okay, so we need those contacts.
That's a good one. We should do a documentary on this.
On this one. And a lot of the messages.
Should do a documentary
Musa Abatwa writes, and Alote Jacobs says that my 10 years in marriage is just something just. You are a small boy.
Grandmaster, good morning.
I said to my son, Ambrose Amwashi, I say good morning to him from your
wife. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're enjoying our weekend. We'll go lodge in our apartments and have a Virgin restaurant in a central. They become domestic tourism. And I say, outside Krana. One of the finest places, Odu Central Region, and our Ghana, baby, a perfect home away from home, where you are guaranteed of your security. Ogwa Lodge and apartments, and a Virgin restaurant in Cape Coast. Uncle, good morning. We'll wrap up. Your 3 issues are intimate, but we'll wrap up.
All right.
Kobe Fiagbe, good morning.
Kobe, good morning.
It is out of the 3. Choose one. Out of the 3.
Amahine.
Say, Ubeti 5 minutes. I increase with the
Amahine.
Touch.
Ose menka the
choose one. Mankasa. Out of the 3.
Out of the 3. Menyani nyanso anko meka. Okay, we mami chichi mesra.
Okay, go 5 minutes.
Delta Force. You say omuntua 23,400 Ghana cedis. Amahine echire senia omai ababedu. Em say emre bia me ba ha me ka kire o say senia MPP fo bu omo man no ebeye den amaye. Sisi ana me client patron relationship. Sa fine ketwa we ya de ama sa Delta Force MPP fo omo ye nyampra nsemi. It's because of the client patron relationship. Because the idea is that sani pay omo aye adwuma aboa party. And indeed they no so wa dan for Canada Japan o kan wa. Bra match omo ko bro Ashanti regional security coordinator. Think of what I hear you aboa party. Nese omo akwa kotu judge work. Atete judge bra what you call that cancel omo kotu in work.
Let him be factual about
no matter me ba. You see I am describing a scenario
for the first time. We feel what he say is true. And that's the truth.
I'm describing I am describing a scenario.
Scenario you see say judge through me kapadia.
No, I disagree. No,
I'm saying he's
promising to judge the week. No one has ever done that. Why are you saying
come on, it's not proper. On team, I
won't allow this mischief to run.
Mepacho,
Obian to judge the way.
Come on.
No, don't do that.
Omudi can't go to court. ɛna judge na wɔte hɔ no ɔmo kɔ hunu hunu
ɛna
no yɛ ɔba
who's ɔmo to judge
odwane yanka ne wig ngentu ne wig handbrake ne so ne wig ngentu sanka ne wig betu ɛna ɔmo yɛ ma judge ne wig tu yɛ before that no ma akɔ bro security liaison officer
NDC is stand up
ama ni sa sika we esu adodo it's not punitive enough yesi obi ade ɛyɛ 1800 18 million
ada oni judge no
me patcho there bi you see sadia we kyerɛ nyambra nsɛm a adokoro MPP amanyɔkuo why me na me okuma sɛ na abo ɔmo kɔ GPR 24 station akwa bi ɔmo twa ne film me nka abusua ne yaw saa Delta Force sini ɔmo akɛya
ɔboa
wo yɛ media man me boa sɛ
ɔboa
wo yɛ media man wo wa hana wote de to muntiefo and we will always do that comparison bien and for beka say muntiefo they were only showing empty bravado na they no mo kan kaka bensem na hwi nim majo say what they say obi atu ya 10,000 ana omo directors so ye fine omo san akọ dem be bus me and na Akufo Addo a oji rule of law edi ya attack the foundations of justice and judicial integrity in Ghana only for these people to run away with a party fine of 23,400 me wura ho ena no pay we ka hunti ana basa ye enya Ghana da na judge mponi security liaison officer ya bu ni mponi na wo nipa sabe nipa kwahwe aban te se me am krum sabe de me yansa na ma yedem enti enye enso ani
okay
IGP Bright Oduro the friend say IGP yes he will defend commissioner of police COP Bright Oduro areho
me so be tu
ebi na American say over 5 minutes now bet me dey rapport say Shatawale ayi ni nyina akora mpa me na obi a mo afa na adwuma 9 months
na wo rapport say ho
MPP aban gu ni ma se poto
no rapport say sakodi
me ya da me Francis u gu ni ma se poto ma he so ade ase the amount for work any say COP Bright Oduro again wadanfo are making allegation etia no so one langal for edins awoso omo to abasako mu ne senti na adwuma mfiri ne nsa it was an allegation one wakasa na dwene kire ne say sa allegation na me apam na tafra che sabe nka wasa ye mano kwanyampo na ye tie ne dia ansa ya ka kire nso ko esan say wa ye adwuma mfie bebre ya
no
dabi police mu ya dia say ye set ya service of enquiry meboa na ye tie wo de anya da na ya twa anagwa wo se mo anya ne sa wa ye adwuma all these years na adwuma na be say sabe ko tra janan se si azana na adwuma na yo meboa etutu aba betu ato ba na nko pese enko kofie awo anso a eye enti we no the amount for nso kan say maame no a ocover corruption first of all corruption case maame ti wa adodan kwado so say na
ya say o time aso
maame ti wa adodan kwado wono na mo de na hye nanan eno nso kire say maame na okata ade no so maame no mo bo na ba so ana ma sacrifice papa anya what do you say anya de papa
o ma hene I made the pass say we are very deep and in fact and remember abaso pa we are very deep moderator.
I feel the Babas.
No more if I see the way you ask your questions, no. Now, Metibebia, I'm happy because you are aware and consciously aware. Say, oh, more show show no. You're very discerning. Anything I ask sometimes we say, you know, and that's why I'm happy about you. And pay.
No.
Those discerning minds are sitting there and watching us.
We mistake how we say, who can't discern? Who is on one? Who you use our time? What do you say on one? I discern. Good morning.
Please tell Ambrose not to confuse matters. The people who were charged for disturbing court proceedings were tried and fined earlier on. Yesterday's sentence was in relationship to rioting, which is a misdemeanor.
Absolutely.
No,
I want
Debbie,
you to come
Debbie,
there.
can you be?
Look, honorable, please. Let me have my submission. Men, yes, sir. Don't do that. You have your turn. Call this man.
I don't know one kawala now.
Call this man to order. What do you call this man?
I don't know one kawala now. Can
Mame, Boni has no ma.
Mecca.
Asia. I don't know what to say.
I can't while I'm going to say name one.
Oh my head. May catch us say those people are only descending. Almost to hold them here. What about time Delta Force item? I would say one of them. Now the first issue is that we say, oh, fine idea more mono. And so now it's not deterrent enough. Oh my henny, and yet said Judge Bia so in the fear no continue on him say, me the Miami discretion, Ebema sentencing rules. And Rabia I way and crack anymore. I want the sentencing rule and to who as judge, you know, and we must say with discretion, they say you may reduce it. Now, on to me then, and go beyond it. Ebe capricious. An affront to the law. Anti-Delta Force, what did they do? What's the charge? They say for rioting. Okoye Criminal and Offences Act in moi. Rioting. A misdemeanor. Send your Ashanti Regional Secretary. Sampine. Adiabe. Ebiana Honorable is not aware of what a misdemeanor is and what a felony is. First degree and second degree felony. And misdemeanor no. I am misdemeanor. Oh, per se judge no better say, oh, and now say why XYZ inti we will do this. Another point. Oko compare Muntie 3 to this matter. Very interesting. Muntie 3 is purely was a discretionary case. A lie in the bosom of the judges in terms of contempt. In terms of contempt. And the contempt was directed completely not to any court, but the apex court of the land.
Court to be a court.
Apex court of the land. Omo no me custodians of our laws. Omo boyen. Ama at least law and order ebeye juma. With the greatest of respect, our Supreme Court judges to sit somewhere and threaten and insult them. With all respect, when person make will be out and say, who cried the unya crowd, worry mameno, was an affront to the justice system of this country. I'm not saying, say, what happened at the lower court should be encouraged. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm telling you, say, no, the judges had the right within their own bosom to decide which punitive measure whether custodian cost and do now no one divide one differentiate IGP issue honorable Kennedy Japan on the IGP ana
okay
police administration on the head
sana papa
MPP on no head
sana nkofo adwon
don't say this
sana nkofo adwon
we are back to your attention Oko Ridge Hospital it's flying over. I'm going there right away the president mama ediko bo why na modiwe to the glory of God. This hospital was officially opened for operations by Honorable Kwekwajo officially. Yeah. I don't know what you want me to speak to it.